Namaste. I'm Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Department, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is hybridization in plant or crops. Meaning of hybridization. Individuals produce as a result of cross between two genetically different parents is known as hybrid. The nature or artificial process that result in the formation of hybrid is known as hybridization. The production of hybrid by crossing two individuals of unlike genetic constitutions is known as hybridization. Hybridization is an important method of coming characters of different plants. Hybridization does not change genetic content of organism, but it produces new combination genes. What is the objective of hybridization? To artificially create a variable population for the selection of types with desired combination to characters. To combine the desired characters into single individuals to exploit and utilize the hybrid varieties. Different types of hybridization. Variable hybridization. The crosses are made between the plant of the same varieties. Intervariable intraspecific hybridization. The crosses are made between the plant belonging to different varieties. Interspecific hybridization or intragenic hybridization. The crosses are made between the two different species of the same genus is the types of hybridization. So, the procedure of hybridization, it involves the following steps. Selection of the parents. Second step, selfing of the parents. Artificial self-pollination or emasculation, bagging, tagging, crossing, harvesting, storing the F1 seed, raising the F1 seed is the hybridization step. Hybridization, just like take an example, we have an apple and we have an orange, or we can say we have a different variety of apple. Mix that to hybrid technique, just make that hybrid and this become a hybrid apple. Hybridization technique just like in mangoes, unlike example mango. Unlike many annual crops like mango, hybridization presents a special problem and is relatively a more difficult material to handle. The plant cannot raised in larger number. The genetic composition is unknown, and the knowledge in inheritance of the character is merged. Marriage, we can say. Segregation of distinct type is retarded because pure lines are not readily obtainable. Moreover, there is the time factor as it normally takes 6 years or even more for the seedling to come in the bearing. In case the optimum yield of the tree is to be assessed, one has to wait for another 15 years or so. Plant hybridization work has been reported for the various part of the country. So the mango hybridization at the Horticulture Research Institute, Saharanpur, in the UP, was started in 1951, and very few promises hybrids have become reported by the since 8 and since 7. In the present paper, further progress of the work is given in interval crossing made during the period of 1964 to 1969, and the result is obtained. Like there's a breeding method in mango, like breeding method like introduction, selection, hybridization, mutation, breeding is breeding method in mango. Just like example, let's take an example, introduction breeding method. Name of the variety of the country from where we introduced, just like sweet, if it is sweet in Thailand, sensation is USA, term is Brazil, early god is USA. So name of the varieties come from there the mangoes are obtained and introduced. Selection, how to select. Firstly, chance seedling. Mango was previously propagated through the seed, and hence the old orchids in India were mostly seedling origin. Some seedling progenesis give the rise to the varieties such as China. China was once area, Mundappa. The popular salt-tolerant rootstock. This was identified by the Israel by the different techniques. Clonal secretions. Clonal secretion, extensive survey of the Shade-Hari orchids around the Melabad in UP has resulted in the isolation of the best clone with the Deshari. We can say it's Deshari. This is Deshari in 51 with the higher yield and regular bearer. Next is hybridization. Constraint in hybridization. A constraint in mango hybridization. The contain and counter in the mango hybridization is just like a high fruit drop in the early stages. Many young fruit drop after pollination and fertilization. Only one seedling can be obtained from one fruit since the varieties are monoembryonic. Okay. The heterozygous nature and cross fertilization makes it difficult to predict the qualities. So the heterozygotic nature and the cross fertilization made it difficult to predict the quality of the hybrid. Complex nature of panicles and flowers and excessive fruit drop. Large area of the land is required for the hybrid seedling. Polyembryonic difficult accurately identifying the zygotic seedling. Polyembryonic varieties of Israel show the weight of the zygotic seedling is higher than the nuclear seedling. Use the polymorphic enzyme system. Isoenzyme has been used to identify zygotic seedling or seedings since the nuclear seedling have the same isoenzyme alleles as in the material parent. Okay. Then another example is hybridization of guava. Guava tree is known as Pasidium guajava. Has the origin in the American tropics and is to distribute throughout the tropical, subtropical area in the world. Many authors said that it belonged to the different authors said it belong to the guava fruit. It's important for fresh consumption. The guava fruit is for the fresh consumption and for the substantial industrial preservation, right? The fruit contain vitamins. Fruit contain vitamin A, vitamin B are exceptionally rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is ascorbic acid and superior to the gastric juice, right? Then how the breeding method in the guava. Breeding method like clonal selection. Propagation of the seed during the early days gave the rise to the considerable variations in the form and size of the fruit. The nature of the flavor of the pulp, seedless, and other morphological characteristics such as the spreading or erect growth habit of the tree. At horticulture research station, Saharanpur evaluation of the seedling type resulted in the superior selection as well as having the good fruit shape, few seeds, sweet taste and high yield. At IIHR Bangalore from the 200 open pollination seedling of the variety Allahabad Safeda collected from the UP, other seedling selections, section B, section A, selection 8 was found to be promising. So hybridization, all fruit research stations, Andhra Pradesh, into variety hybridization result in isolation of two superior varieties. Safed Jam. This is the hybrid between the Allahabad Safeda and Kohir. Kohir is a local collection from the Hyderabad, Karnataka region. It is similar to Allahabad Safeda in the growth habit and fruity juice or fruity quality. The fruits are bigger in size with the good quality and fewer soft seeds. Kohir is Safeda. It is a hybrid between the Kohir and Allahabad Safeda. Tree as vigorous. The fruit are larger with the few soft seeds with the white flesh. Haryana Agriculture University Hisar has released the two hybrid varieties, Hisar Safeda. This is a cross between the Allahabad Safeda X seedless with which has upright growth with the compacted crown. Its fruit are round, weighing around the 92 grams each of the pulp in creamy white with the less seed, which are soft TSS is 13% and ascorbic acid A 185 mg per 100 gram. Polyphenoids reducing triploids will be the fruity or the fruitful since the fruit shape of the triploids is the highly irregular and misshaped because of the differential seed size. However, in order to evolve varieties with the less seeds and increase productivity, crosses were made at the IARI New Delhi between the seedless diploids and seeded diploids. The variety Allahabad Safeda on the 73 Fahrenheit hybrid race 26 were diploid 5 double trichomes and 13 tetrasonic distinct variations in the tree growth habit and the leaves, and the food characters were observed. So this is the hybridization. Hybridization is just like in flower breeding objective of rose. It's just like continuous blooming, free flowering or recurrent blooming, right? Brilliant and fragrant flower, uniform flower shape, form and size, uniform growth, and should be vigorous. Growth should be vigorous and improved appearances of plant. Floriferous nature, winter hardness should be there. Evergreen plant type and foliage attractiveness. Long shelf half-life with the less petal shedding. Resistance to persist and disease, powdery and mildew, the black spot and scale insect. Thornless nature, developing blue and purple color varieties as they are in the great demand. Head tolerance, that is the breeding varieties of the tropical conditions. Breeding objective of the marigold, compact and dwarf gold habit, uniform response to environment, more flower yield, free from the disease and pest. Breeding objective Gerbera, taking into account the importance of the Gerbera as the cut flowers and for the garden purposes, the following objective are suggested in the breeding of the Gerbera: uniformly the compactness of the growth of plant, yieldlessness of the earliness of the flowering, more number of flowers and plant development of the double and color dwarf, uniform long and steady stalk, yield of period of flowering, vast safe life and resistance of the pest and diseases. So this is the hybridization, all about the hybridization. Thank you so much. If you have any query, just comment.